accused 1 and 2 are sentenced to both a period of 3 years imprisonment and a fine of Kenya shillings 1 million.
Uria wari karani wa Nairobi John Gakuo gukundikwo kihokia miaka 3 jera kumana na gukumio ya milioni 283 ya mugunda wa Kaburi. Aria mahutirio ni mutino wa Solai kwambiriria gucokaniriria kiria giatigarite niguo mambiririe muturire mweru.
All public areas must have a baby changing facility and not a what? A toilet.
Ikundi cia atumia gutafania mururungano guku Nairobi thutha wa mutumia umwe kuingatithio mukawa-ini umwe akiongithia mwana. Picha cia CCTV kuonania ati mutumia uria woragirwo hamwe na ciana ciake mwena wa Maroroi mari na mundurume ungi.